Calorimetry. Thermodynamic terms. Systems and surroundings. In thermodynamics, any part of this universe which is under our observation is called system. The remaining universe other than the system is called surroundings. That means system and surroundings together form the universe. The universe is equal to the system plus the surroundings. For example, if a reaction is taking place between two substances, A and B, in a beaker, the beaker and reaction mixture become the system. The laboratory or the room in which the reaction is carried out becomes the surroundings. A system along with the test tube or beaker containing it may be considered as physical boundary. It may also be defined through specified volume. A system is always separated from its surroundings by some kind of wall. That wall may be real or imaginary. The wall which separates the system and surroundings is called boundary or limit boundary. Types of systems and surroundings. Systems can be classified based on the exchange of matter and energy from system to surroundings or from surroundings to system. Open system. In open system, both energy and matter are exchanged from surroundings to system or from system to surroundings. Closed system. In a closed system, there is no possibility for exchange of matter from system to surroundings or surroundings to system. Reactants present in a closed conducting vessel are an example for this. Isolated system. In an isolated system, neither energy nor matter is exchanged between system and surroundings. Example: reactants present in a thermos flask or in any completely closed insulated vessel. First law of thermodynamics. Energy of an isolated system always remains constant. First law of thermodynamics can also be called law of conservation of energy. Second law of thermodynamics. Without involvement of external agent, construction of a cyclically working machine capable of transferring heat from low temperature region to high temperature region is impossible under any conditions. Such a machine, which can transfer heat from low temperature region to high temperature region, is called perpetual motion machine of second kind. Construction of this is not possible. Heat does not flow on its own from cold substances to hot substances. Reversible and irreversible. A process or change, reversible process or change, means that process can be reversed at any moment merely by infinitesimal changes. When a gas undergoes compression, from initial volume to final volume, without pressure remaining constant, the PV curve passing through infinitely many intermediate equilibrium states represents the work done on the gas by shaded area. A reversible process occurs infinitely slowly, through many successive equilibrium states. That means system and surroundings are always extremely close to equilibrium state with each other. Non-reversible processes are irreversible processes. In isothermal expansion process, T remains constant. That means temperature is constant. Since expansion is into vacuum, P is equal to 0, W is equal to 0. Experimentally, Joule proved that Q is equal to 0. That means delta U is equal to 0. Since delta U is equal to Q plus W, Q is equal to minus W is equal to P external into V2 minus V1. Isothermal irreversible changes, Q is equal to minus W is equal to P external into V2 minus V1. For isothermal reversible changes, Q is equal to minus W is equal to nRT ln V2 by V1. That is equal to 2.303 nRT log V2 by V1. Adiabatic process. A process in which no heat energy exchange takes place from system to surroundings or from surroundings to system is called adiabatic process. For adiabatic change, Q is equal to 0. Delta U is equal to W. Work done. Let us consider 1 mole of an ideal gas enclosed in a cylinder fitted with a frictionless piston. When P external is greater than P gas, the piston moves inside the cylinder and compresses the gas. When an ideal gas is compressed in a cylinder using external pressure, P external, the work done on the gas is represented by the shaded area. Change in volume is equal to L into capital A. That is equal to delta V is equal to Vf minus Vi. Pressure is equal to force by area. Force on piston is equal to P external into capital A. If W is the work done by moving the piston on the gas, then W is equal to force into distance moved by piston. That is equal to P external into capital A into capital L. That is equal to P external minus delta V is equal to minus P external delta V. That is equal to minus P external into V2 minus V1. Extensive and intensive properties. Extensive property depends upon quantity or mass. Example, mass, volume, internal energy, enthalpy, heat capacity. Properties which are independent of quantity of substance are intensive properties. Example, temperature, density, pressure, heat capacity. When a system absorbs heat, it increases the temperature of the system. The amount of heat absorbed by the system is directly proportional to increase in temperature of the system. Q is equal to C delta T. Here, C is heat capacity, delta T is change in temperature. Molar heat capacity of a substance, Cm, is equal to C by N. Cm is the heat energy required to increase temperature of 1 mole substance by 1 degree. Specific heat or specific heat capacity. Heat capacity is equal to specific heat into mass. Q is equal to C into M into delta T. That is equal to C delta T. Here, C into M is equal to capital C. Relation between Cp and Cv with R. Let heat capacity at constant volume be written as Cv and at constant pressure as Cp. Qv is equal to Cv delta T. That is equal to delta U. Qp is equal to Cp delta T. That is equal to delta H. For 1 mole ideal gas, delta H is equal to delta U plus delta PV. That is equal to delta U plus R delta T. Therefore, delta H is equal to delta U plus R delta T. Cp delta T is equal to Cv delta T plus R delta T. Cp is equal to Cv plus R. Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Calorimetry. Energy changes occurring in physical and chemical processes can be measured experimentally by a technical method called calorimetry. In calorimetry method, the process is carried out in a vessel called calorimeter. Enthalpy, H. If total energy is added with product of pressure and volume, it is called enthalpy. Delta H is equal to U plus PV. Q sub P is equal to H2 minus H1. That is equal to delta H. At constant pressure, delta H is equal to delta U plus P delta V. For exothermic reactions, delta H value is given negative sign. In these reactions, heat is liberated. If the system participating in reaction absorbs heat from surroundings, that reaction is called endothermic reaction. For endothermic reaction, delta H value is positive. Internal energy. When a change occurs in a chemical system, to know how much energy is released or absorbed, we need a quantity representing total energy of that system. It is the sum total of chemical, electrical, mechanical, and all other energies of that system. That quantity is called internal energy. It is represented by symbol U. Bomb calorimeter delta U measurements. In chemical reactions, heat absorbed at constant volume is measured in a bomb calorimeter. Bomb calorimeter is placed in a water bath. This whole arrangement is called calorimeter. Bomb calorimeter is thermally insulated. Therefore, there is no heat exchange from calorimeter to surroundings. During reaction, calorimeter is kept completely closed. Therefore, there is no change in its volume. At constant volume, delta V is equal to 0. W is equal to P delta V. That is equal to 0.
That means no work is done. Using the increase in temperature of calorimeter due to reaction, the heat evolved can be calculated from mass of calorimeter and its heat capacity values through this equation. Q is equal to C delta T. Delta H measurements. Since atmospheric pressure remains constant, the heat change produced by reaction in calorimeter can be considered as measured at constant pressure. QP is equal to delta H. Therefore, heat change measured at constant pressure becomes heat of reaction, or enthalpy of reaction, delta small rh. Heat is given from system to surroundings. Therefore, QP is negative and delta small rh is negative. If heat is absorbed, QP and delta RH is positive.